Hiya, welcome to itsycrafty and this unboxing of a Planners Anonymous monthly subscription kit. The kit we're going to look at now is Hygge Life. This is a gorgeous kit. Look at these soft, delicate colours. Absolutely loving it just on first impression. This is the additional sticker kit. This is the monthly subscription kit along with this paper pack, and this is the add-on paper pack. I'm just going to take everything out of the plastic and then I'll be right back. This is the standard monthly subscription kit, which is 45 Australian dollars a month. So we'll just start looking at the papers first. This is gorgeous, just the lovely muted delicate colours. Absolutely love it. This would be really nice to embellish in the centre. And on the reverse of this page you've got the pink watercolour. So we have two of those. Oh wow, this is gorgeous. There's this beautiful little floral here. And on the reverse of that is the green, which is picking up from the stem colour here. Two of those. And then this is full of lovely little art pieces. Hopefully you can see in the close-up there just some of that gorgeous artwork. And on the reverse of that, so we have two of those. And then there's a vellum, which has this gorgeous floral print on it. So remember, the vellum is a different type of paper. It's a translucent type of paper. And then this is the acetate. And it also has a floral pattern on it. Oh, I'm loving them. And this is everything else in the monthly kit. I'll roll the washi out and we'll have a look at that soon. But first of all, the pen. Oh my goodness, I love the pen every single month. But this is pink and glittery along here, and then gorgeous, gorgeous crystals inside. And that has silver hardware on it. It's stunning. And this is the menu card for the month, and it's just so delicate and snuggly. And if I just read it here, it says it's time to slow down, relax, and spend some quality time snuggling up to my loved ones. And that's Nora. And on the reverse of that, there's just a list of everything that's inside the kit. The quote cards for the month, we've got "You Are So Loved," "All Rugged Up," "Warm and Cozy," "There's No Place Like Home," I'm loving this font, "Staying Cozy at Home," and "Find Your Joy." And there's the backing card. So we have two of each colour, but 6 different quotes in total. And then the stamp set for the month. It's a lot of smaller stamps this month, including some quotes. We've got Snuggles and Warm, Mood, Style, Dear, Relax, My Happy Place, and Cozy. Oh, there's a mini stamp. A gorgeous, gorgeous little mini stamp. Absolutely love the minis. Happy about that. And then we've got lots of florals and leaves and a gate and so on. So it looks like lots of fun. Then there's a whole bunch of die cuts and the art card. So the art card, "Home is Where You Are Loved," and it's on a white background, which makes it very, very simple, but it just really makes all of the rest of it pop. Just loving it. And that's a bit of a thicker card. And these die cuts are just gorgeous, just the colours of them. I'm really loving it. So we have a snugly folded blanket. Oh, these are just gorgeous. Oh, the mantelpiece. Love it. Oh, and the armchair. So cozy. It's real cozy vibes and just a soft, muted, delicate colour palette. We've got candles and some smaller ones here. A little flower and a little book. This really large die cut, which is just stunning. It would just look so good up like that with something. And then we've also got the ladder with the fairy lights and the doors. So loving those. And then the stickers for the month. Just a total cozy, snuggly vibes. A real self-care sort of a kit. Look at that. Love that cute little mini there. And here we've got the days of the week. That's in a 1.5 inch size for my standard verticals. And 1 month of date dots. And there's our folding planner sticker. And a more functional page, but still cute and pretty, with lots of little stickers that you can write on and little icons. We've got flags here, some headers, and here we've got a preview of the next kit, which is Bon Voyage. And if you're a new subscriber and you subscribe to Bon Voyage, if you use the code PABIRTHDAYLOVE in the checkout page, then you'll also, as well as receiving the Bon Voyage kit, you'll receive a free past kit, which is a really, really generous offer. And the mystery item for the month, which is a changing item every month, is a card, just like the art card, a 5x7 inch, and there are, it looks like 5 of them, and they have a different design on each one. And they're for colouring or playing with your inks or your Tombos or whatever you like. They might be a bit hard to pick up on the screen here. This one's a fireplace. This one is Home is Where You Are Loved. And here we've got some flowers and leaves. If you join the Facebook group, Planners Anonymous group, you'll see what some people have done with these. And then we've got the washi for the month. So there's the thin 5mm, which is a fairy light. The 15mm, which is a gorgeous floral. And there's the wider one there, which it actually says on the menu card what size that is. That's a 22mm washi. So I'll just roll these out. Here are the 3 washi tapes rolled out. So this is an A4 page, and that's the pattern repeat on the washi. So a lovely long repeat. I love the cute little fairy lights on the 5mm. And then there's the floral, and then all of this cozy artwork on the wider washi. So really nice washi. No foiling, but beautiful, subtle colours and lovely artwork. That was the standard monthly kit for Hygge Life, and now let's have a look at the add-on paper pack. The add-on paper pack for Hygge Life, and first of all we've got this lovely print, and on the reverse of that a gorgeous pink, so we have 2 of those. And then all of this lovely artwork with ladders and couches and mantelpieces and lamps and fireplaces. I'll show you a bit of a close-up there. And on the reverse of that is this lovely green. So 2 of those. Oh, look at this scene. Oh my goodness, I love this scene. I want to sit on that couch. That is gorgeous. I don't have any pink walls in my house. I can't imagine ever having pink walls, but I would love to have this room. And on the reverse of that, so we have 2 of those. And then there's 1 extra sheet of the vellum and 1 extra sheet of acetate. So they are the add-on papers for the Hygge Life kit. And this is the add-on sticker kit. If you like, you can also subscribe just to the sticker kit, and you'll get the sticker kit that I have here, and you'll also get the 4 pages of stickers from the kit. Have a look at plannersanon.com and you'll see what I'm talking about in terms of subscriptions. A whole bunch of stickers here, and there we have some of our coziness. Oh, look at all these people. Love, 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 love. Oh, loving that. Hopefully you can see there. A whole page of people. Oh, gorgeous. Oh, it's like a bulldog clip. We've got curtains, we've got armchair, we've got blankets. I love it. Look at all of those florals. Oh, goodness. So, so pretty. And here we've got more functional pages. So we've got trackers, we've got Monday through Sunday, and here Monday through Sunday. These are 1.5 inch width, and then a more functional page which is so super cute. These are little sticky notes. We've got hearts, we've got color coordinated dots which are great for different people in the family, and we've got month, I was going to say date dots, but they're squares, so we've got a month of date squares. This page here, which Sammy calls a word fetty, so we've got on the top half, we've got words sort of related specifically to the kit, like sit, relax and read, snuggles, comfort, cozy, embrace. And on the bottom half, we've got more functional sort of everyday things like shopping, finances, goals, focus, get it done, etc, etc. Oh, this is pretty. These are gorgeous functional stickers, and look at this. Love it. Lots of space to write on these too, which is really good. A nice double box there, and some cute jars. And here we've got single boxes and a double box and some corner tiers. This is like the add-on paper with the cozy couch scene. And then we've got 4 different colours with this page. So we've got the weekly headers, we've got part boxes and splashes, there's various flags, banners, checklists, etc. So we have those in the pink. So they're the 4 colours. Just down here. And then 2 pages of the gorgeous minis, which if you've watched my unboxings before, you know I absolutely love these minis. Look at that. I just love all of these little peeking minis. Oh, well, I love all the minis. And this is our more functional minis here. Super cute. Just zooming out on my desk so you can see all of the stickers here. So we have 18 pages of lovely, gorgeous stickers. Thanks so much for watching my unboxing of the Hygge Life kit from Planners Anonymous. It is stunning. I'm going to be playing with it tonight. I just can't wait. I need to get into this kit. And remember, the next kit is Bon Voyage. And if you subscribe to the Bon Voyage kit and use the code PABIRTHDAYLOVE on the checkout page, then you'll receive an entire past kit as well as receiving Bon Voyage. So I'll pop that code down in the video description. It's an amazing opportunity to give Planners Anonymous a go if you haven't tried them out before. There are previews of the Bon Voyage kit. If you look at the Planners Anonymous social pages, you'll see some of the items from that kit. But I can't even think Bon Voyage at the moment. I'm just totally immersed in the colours and the artwork of this kit, and I'm going to enjoy using those now. So thanks so much for watching my unboxing. I'm really looking forward to sharing more with you soon, and maybe I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!